Hello guys, in this video we are going to look at how to claim your MetaMusk token using your Trust wallet. In my previous video I showed you guys how to connect your Trust wallet with MetaMusk contract address. So in this video I'm going to show you how to claim more MetaMusk using your Trust wallet on your smartphone. This is one of my accounts, and as you can see, I've just received this token for free from MetaMusk team. So if you are here and you've already followed the instruction, but you've not yet received your MetaMusk token, then you can check this video and see how you can claim this token. So first of all, you must make sure you follow the instruction. First, what you need to do is to follow and join the MetaMusk Telegram group. Then you have to also join the Telegram channel. You then follow MetaMusk team on Twitter and retweet the pin that has been posted on their page on Twitter. Then the final steps you need to do is to make sure you subscribe to their YouTube channel. So once you've done everything, what you need to do is to open the bot on your Telegram channel. Then you type start. So when you type start, a code will be displayed for you to enter, so they will confirm that you are not a bot. So this is the code. Once you've done so, then they will give you the instruction. So if you've already joined the Telegram group, Telegram channel, subscribe to their YouTube channel, and also retweeted what they've posted on their page, then you type next. So when you type next, the bot will now direct you to do the right thing in case you've not had one of these steps listed above. So once everything is being confirmed, the bot will ask you for your Twitter username, your Telegram channel name, and then once they confirm that you have actually followed the instruction by joining their group channel and then subscribing to the YouTube page, then they will ask you to enter your Trust wallet's address, and I've showed you how you can do so in my earlier video. So once you paste your Trust wallet address on the bot, then the bot will verify it, and if everything goes right, you will receive a congratulations message telling you that you have successfully connected your Trust wallet address to the bot, and then you will receive your token in some few minutes. So here, what you need to do to earn more of this token is to refer your friends. You can type balance to see your current balance. So this is your current balance. So if you need to refer your friends, what you need to do is to just type referral, and then you will be displayed with your referral link on the Telegram airdrop bot. From here you can copy and then share this link to your friends so that they can also join and receive the token. So each friend that uses your link and join this token, the person will receive this same amount of token as you did earlier, and then you will get another bonus for referring this your friend. Let's go back to my Trust wallet's address, and then I will show you the balance. So currently this is my balance on my Trust wallet from MetaMusk, and please note that once you request for withdrawal through their Telegram bot, it will take 48 hours for your withdrawal to reflect on your Trust wallet. So what you need to do is to make sure you always check your Trust wallet, and if you still have issue with the token, you can go back to their Telegram group and then ask them to resend it by typing MetaMusk in the message. So as you can see, this is their Telegram group, and a lot of people have now been receiving their MetaMusk token. So do this and you will get your MetaMusk token being sent to your Trust wallet. So I guess you find this video helpful. If you do, please don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and follow me on all social media. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.